Hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason from Greencountry Agroforestry here. Living on the river bottom like we do, we get our fair share of mosquitoes, but that doesn't mean that we have to get bit. As with most pests, when it comes to mosquitoes, I prefer a multi-pronged approach. And that starts with an understanding of our adversary. Mosquitoes are pollinators. That's right, those pesky little insects like to feed on nectar. It's their primary food, and only the females go after blood in order to acquire protein to make her eggs. So ladies, if you would like to avoid being bitten by mosquitoes, one of the first things that you should do is to stop trying to smell like flowers. Although mosquitoes have poor eyesight, they can discern some colors, and the hues of red and orange are particularly attractive to mosquitoes. So wearing a red shirt like this one is just ringing a dinner bell. Fix that. There we go. Lighter colors, like this light gray that I like to wear most of the time, are good for not attracting mosquitoes. Mosquitoes like to breed in still and stagnant water, so one of the best ways to make sure that you don't have too many of the little critters in your neighborhood is to empty out any standing buckets or pans that may contain water that they can breed in. Or, if you intend to have the water there, add a goldfish or two to keep the mosquito population down. So now we've discussed ways to reduce the mosquito population by limiting their breeding grounds, emptying out stagnant water, or introducing fish to consume the larvae in water that we intend to have standing. We've discussed making ourselves a less attractive target for mosquitoes by wearing a different color of clothing and not smelling like a tasty flower. But no multi-pronged approach would be complete without adding an additional animal vector. In order to hunt down the mosquitoes that we do have, we want to attract hummingbirds. That's right, hummingbirds. These little guys eat an alarming number of mosquitoes, and you thought they just consumed nectar. Oh no. Nectar is good for energy, but it doesn't have any protein, and the protein that hummingbirds need in order to have lots of little hummingbird babies comes from mosquitoes. Now, in order to attract those hummingbirds, we have to have habitat and we have to have water. By planting flowers that the hummingbirds love, like these cannas here, we make sure we have a steady supply of visitors to eat our mosquitoes. Well, good people, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you found the video informative or entertaining, and if you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get ready.